Hello boys and girls, and welcome to this English video lesson. In this video, we're gonna be talking about relative pronouns. Did you just hear that? It's a police siren. Let's see what's happening. Oh, it's a fire truck. It's heading to the house behind us. Look guys, there's a huge cloud of smoke over there. It's a fire accident. Come on guys, let's see what will happen. Look, the fire's there, and this is the house which caught the fire. Oh no, this man is crying. This is the man whose house is on fire. Poor man. Of course, this is the man who called the police. The fire truck arrived. The firefighters jumped out. They started pouring water on fire. I hope they can bring the fire under control. Yes, they did it. They managed to control the fire and get into the house. And they saved a young boy. He's probably the boy whose dad is crying outside. Look at the firefighter who saved the boy. He's brave. Thank you, officer. You did a great job. Oh, wow. It's been a hard experience, guys. I've never witnessed a fire accident before. Have you? I hope the damage is not great. Well, let's move back to our lesson. What were we talking about, guys? Yes, exactly. Relative pronouns. What are relative pronouns? Well, we usually use relative pronouns to add more information to the person or thing they refer to. And remember, there are many kinds of relative pronouns. From them, we'll study today who, which, that, and whose. Okay, let's take a look at every single one of them. First, who. We use who to give more information about people. Remember this man? He's the man who called the police. And those are the firefighters who put out the fire. In those couple of examples, we were giving more information about the man and the firefighters. And because they are people, I used who. Which. We use which to give more information about things. Example. This is the house which caught fire. Another example. This is the truck which has a huge water tank. In those couple of examples, we needed to give more information about the house and the truck, which are things. That's why we used which. That. And this is our special pronoun today, guys. We use that with both people and things. So in the last 4 examples, we could use that instead of who or which. Nothing easier than that. The final pronoun that we're going to look at today is a little bit different. Whose. We use whose to give more information about people's belongings or people's relatives. Example. This is the man whose house is on fire. And this is the boy whose dad is crying outside. Here, we're giving more information about the man's house in the first example, which is a belonging, and the boy's dad in the second example, which is a relative. That's why I used here the pronoun whose. Guys, would you like to practice? Let's do this exercise. Here we have 4 sentences with gaps. The task is to fill in these gaps with the relative pronouns we've learned. Who, which, that, and whose. Would you like to try? Okay, go ahead. and the correct answers will appear after a while. Now, check your answers. Perfect, guys. Okay, guys, I think we've come to the end of this lesson today. But before I leave, I want to discuss the value of our lesson today. It's helping others. Always be helpful, guys, like this neighbor and those firefighters. And finally, don't forget to use the relative pronouns when you speak or write in English. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.